Look how he plays d3 and immediately block out his pawn. Let's just keep developing our pieces though. He develops his knight to attack my pawn. I'll develop my knight and protect it, and then he plays g3. So it looks like he's trying to play the King's Indian attack, but we just need to keep developing normally. He and Keto is bishop. Let me just get my king out the center. And my bishop is the last piece that needs development. So let's just go here. And once he develops his bishop, we develop. Now all four of my minor pieces are developed. Now it's time to start my attack. He plays h3 though, and bishops are better than knights. So let me just pull back, maintaining the pin on the queen. But then he plays g4 to attack the bishop again. So let's just pull it back. Now he goes knight to h4. He's playing very aggressive in this position, and I think I should have some tactical ideas. I want you to notice how his knight is unprotected on h4. So I'm going to be using a tactic called the discovered attack. So I'm going to take on e4, and if he takes back my knight, I'll take his knight. But instead, he played an in-between move, taking my bishop first, which means if I take his knight, he takes my knight, and he's ahead by a piece. But I also have an in-between move, in between his in-between move. So I'm going to take on f2, and I'm actually threatening his queen. And then he took with his rook. He's now ahead by 4 points, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to take away from the center. Now his rook is pinned, and I'm applying pressure to his pinned rook. He's now ahead by 1 point, but once I grab his rook, I'll be the one with more points. So he decided to develop his knight, but now I'm able to simply grab his rook. I could just grab it with my bishop and check his king, but let's just take it with the rook, so that way my bishop will still be on the same line as his king. And then he decided to put his bishop, and then he resigns. That was just a bad move. But hit subscribe for more.